Strongr Fastr review, honest user experience and in-depth look at fitness coaching. Finding a fitness app that actually helps you reach your goals can be tricky, but Strongr Fastr promises tailored coaching for all levels. I tested it, and here's my honest review. Most people think fitness apps are generic, but the surprising truth is Strongr Fastr creates customized workout plans based on your fitness level, equipment and goals. It's like having a personal trainer in your pocket. Getting started was easy. I input my goals, experience level, and schedule. The app generated a workout plan with exercises, video demonstrations, and progress tracking. The interface is simple and motivational, showing completed sessions and upcoming workouts. The coaching aspect is impressive. Strongr Fastr provides daily guidance, reminders, and tips to optimize form and performance. Nutrition guidance and goal tracking help maintain accountability, which many apps lack. The downside is that some advanced workouts may require equipment not everyone has. Also, the subscription cost is higher than basic apps, but the personalized coaching justifies it. In conclusion, Strongr Fastr is a comprehensive fitness coaching app that delivers personalized workouts, motivation, and tracking. If you're serious about your fitness goals and want guidance without hiring a trainer, it's definitely worth trying.